Hello everyone, this is Zakira and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to play Granny again. Last time we didn't escape. So this is day 1. So okay, let's go. Oh, what's that? What's that? Okay, let's check the first drawer. So there's nothing and there's nothing and we got book and I know where to use it, so we will going to use it for first. So let's use it. We have to pull the lever. I remember last time. Last time she didn't even let me play. So let's place it here and I don't know what happened next. So there is a secret basement secret. So let's go. And now there's another. So let's pull it and let's check there's something. No, there's nothing. Our luck is not too good and there's something button like I don't know what to call a teddy. I don't know where to use it. Okay, now let's get out of here. So I hope Granny is not coming. No, she's not coming. Let's check the drawer first. Oh, what's that? I found car key so much easily. I found car key and there is also nothing. Okay. Oh, oh, I make sound. So let's go. So we have to go to the ground floor so we can use the car key. Okay, now let's go. Oh my god, her her house is so much like maze. Oh, we got hammer. Oh, I make noise, so let's hide first because obviously she is going to come. Let's hide, guys. Where the heck is she? Come. Oh, I forgot. She is grandma. Okay, sorry, granny. She can't walk fast like me. Sorry. Come on. Here she come, here she come, here she come. Hey, look at her ugly face. She is psychopath. Psycho. Okay. Now, what are you gonna check? Okay. Let's hide it there. I don't want to die. I want to escape this time. Okay, guys. Should we go? Or no? Yeah, let's go. I know where to use the hammer. I am very lucky to find the hammer. So let's go. I hope Granny is not coming. Okay. I also have to use screwdriver or something like that. Guys, please support me. You are not supporting me. Oh, I found a picture of Granny. Granny didn't like her face. That's why she torn it. Um. Uh, mm, okay. Now let's go. Let's go and place it here. Oh, Granny didn't like her face too. That's why she's doing that. I bet. Oh, I make the noise again. I hope Granny is not there. No, she's not here. She's not here. Oh, what a luck. Let's check it here. Oh, she's not there also. Oh my god. Okay. What's that? Oh, Granny. First, we have to pick the hammer. I forgot the hammer. Oh my god, my memory. Yare. Also, here we go. We pick the hammer. Now let's go. I hope she is not coming there. She is such a idiot, ugly. Oh my god. What's she doing? Uh, eh, Look at her. Such a idiot. She didn't even know who is there. Oh, let's go, hurry. She's coming. Let's hide it there. She saw us. Do fast. Oh my god. She is too slow. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. I hope she didn't saw. So let's remove these planks. Okay, and hide it. Okay, she's coming. She's coming. Hey, hey, grandma, where are you? Oh, there is she. She will check now. She will check now. Okay, do it quick. Do it quick. Go, get the hell out of here. Go, go. Oh my god, she's still here. What's wrong with her? What's wrong? Go! 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 Guys, let's go. Okay, let's check what's saying. Let's check the what's that? Okay, let's check the drawers. Why can't I open it? Let's move further, okay. There's nothing. Okay, there's nothing. Oh, here she come. Oh my god. Oh my god. She saw us. Oh my god. Shit. Okay, this is day 2. Let's check. Oh my god, guys. What's wrong with her? What's wrong? Okay, so this is our day 2. Now let's go. She set a trap. Okay, let's ignore it. And now let's go below. Oh, what's she doing? What's she doing here? Oh my god, what's wrong with that psychopath? What's that? A key. I can't even check which key is that. Okay, let's go below because um I dropped something. Let's check it here. There's nothing. There's nothing. There is nothing. And there is bench. Oh, let's go. And there's nothing. And there's nothing. And oh my god. What's with that bitch? You ugly psychopath killer biller. Just look at her face. Oh my god. She just gave me a heart attack. My heart is racing now. Too fast. I don't know what to say. Where's the wrench? Where is it? Let's check. Oh, there's. I think we are blind. Like Dora. Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck was that? I don't know, but I can't move. I wasn't moving. What was the reason? I don't know. Okay. This is our day 3. Our second day was wasted. Um, let's go. Oh my god. Okay, let's check. There's branch. So we have to fix. Oh, we make sound. No worries. She don't know where we are going. Obviously, she is slow too. Okay. I don't know. I know where to use it. We have to. We can't use it now. We have to use engine. We have to find engine bar. So let's first hide because she can come. Come. Do quick, ma'am. Oh, hello. Oh, there she come. Oh, so she will look where we are. Oh my god. So let's run. She can't see because she is blind like Dora. She's blind Pro Max. Okay, let's go up there. Oh my god. So let's check these drawers. There must be something. There's nothing. Okay. Oh, what's that? A part of shotgun? Yeah, I need that. Now let's go below and use it because we need shotgun. Okay, because we have to kill that bitch. Okay, guys. Oh my god. Oh, where she appeared from? I don't know what's wrong with her. She is. Oh my god, she is a headache. Let's go below, let's go below. Oh, oh my god. Not again. I hate her traps. I hate it. Why? Not again. Remove. Okay, let's go. She will come obviously because we make noise. Come, hold heck. Quick. Oh, that was close. That was close, guys. Okay, go now. There's no business. None of your business, okay? So let's go. Okay, she is setting her trap. I don't know where she carry these traps. Okay, now let's place it here. We need two more parts. Okay, let's go up there. I hope Granny is not there. Oh no, she's not there. Now let's get out of here. We will use this tunnel and go. Okay. Um. What should we do now? Let's check. Is Granny there or no? No, she's not. Let's check the drawers. Oh, there's nothing. There's nothing to. Okay, I didn't even find a single key. I need a weapon key. Oh my. What's wrong with her? Not again. Not again. Let's hide here. Let's hide here. Let's hide. Let's hide. She can't come here. She can't come here. Oh, let's. I pick the teddy and let's go. Okay. Okay. Now let's go. I hope. Why I can hear her footsteps. She isn't going. Why? Why? Oh my god. Okay. Let's crouch. Let's crouch. Let's see. Oh, why she isn't going? Oh my god. She's still here? Still? You're still here? No way. She's still here? Oh my god. She's still here? Oh my god. Move, Granny, move. Do you have backbone? So you can't move? Is that so? Oh my god. What's wrong? What's wrong with that old hag? I can't. I. Oh my god. I don't even have words for her. Oh my god. She's still here. Go. Go. Champions. Oh. Oh my god. Still here. Not going. Oh. What the fuck? What the fuck, man? Bro, what's wrong with that lady? I mean, with that granny. Oh, no, my god. She's still here. Let's stop this. I hope she can go. No, she's not going. What should we do? Oh my god. She is such a trouble. I don't know what to do right now. Okay, not again. She's not going. Oh my god. Is she? She went? She went? It's, oh. What to do right now? I don't know what to do. Guys, I don't know. Let's put my volume on. And guys, tell me which game should I play next. And guys, please support me. Please, I need your support. Please subscribe my channel and watch my video till the end, because my goal is to reach 100k. She's not going still. Oh my god. What's wrong with her? I mean, l- oh my god. What to do right now? I don't know. Let's move here. She's still not going. Still not going. Still not going. Let's go. Let's go. Did she went? Is she? Let's check. Let's check it. Oh, she went. She went. She went. Oh my god, guys, let's go. Let's go, guys. This is the power of not giving up. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, shh. Come, come. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the power of dumb decision. Oh, still here. Still here. Still here. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Do. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. What should we do right now? Oh my god. She's still here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. Now what should I do? Please, guys, ignore the background noises. Please. Oh my god. What's with her? What's wrong with that? Why she isn't going? She is dumb as like my siblings. Okay. She's still there. You fucking joking me? She's still here. Still. Oh my god. Now she is getting on my nerves, okay? Get the hell out of here, Grandma. Oh my god. Now what should I do? Can we make run out of here? Can we? I don't think so because she will catch us immediately. There's no way. Let's let's practice to run from here. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. She is still there. She is still there. Still there. Still there. Now what should we do? Now what should I do? Still there. Hey buddy. What's up? Do you want to die with me? If you wish, we can die together. Hello, Grandma. If you wish, we can die together. Oh my god, oh my god. What's wrong with her? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here, man. I mean, what's wrong with her? Let's oh my god. It's our last day. Okay. I don't think we can escape, but we don't have to think like that. We have to think positive, so negative things can happen. Obviously. Oh my god. Oh. Now let's go. I hope she's not there. Oh. Okay. Okay. This is place where she traumatized me. Okay, let's go. Let's bring the teddy and get the fuck out of here because she can come anytime and I'm not going to hide it anymore. Oh, I'm not going to hide there because I know what happened last time. Oh, let's go. Let's go downstairs. She can't come here. She can't come here because she have pain in his knees. Okay. Let's check the drawers. I already checked it and I don't know why I'm checking it again. Okay, okay, guys. Now I don't know what to do right now because I think she's still here and I don't want to die. I'm going to be honest. Oh, not again, not again. I'm sick of her. I'm sick, bro. I'm literally sick right now. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Dare to touch us. Can you do? Can you do that? She's not here. She's oh no. Oh my God. Let's go, guys. Come right now. Come. Come here. Let's go. She can't come here, so let's go upstairs because she is still on first floor. Okay, I don't know. I know where we can place it. I think what we saw, what we call that. Okay, what's that? A spider key. Spider key. Where we can use it? A spider key. Okay, we are hiding here because she can hear voice noises. And where is she? Oh my God. There she. There is she. Unexpected. That was unexpected. I'm not lying, bro. That was unexpected as hell. Oh, we dropped that key and now we're going to hide it again because we don't know where to use the spider key. Come, old lady, come. Oh, there she come. Oh, me. What's wrong? Oh. I hope guys you enjoy my video. I don't know what happened. I mean, how did she know? What the fuck? She's coming. My God, guys, I hope you enjoy my this video. She is going to kill us. Where did she get all these things? I hope you enjoy my video. Like, share, and subscribe. That's it for today. Bye, guys.